I'm Joshua from Birmingham Coffee Festival. This is our second festival, being held at the Custard Factory again. Birmingham Coffee Festival is basically a celebration of the coffee culture industry in the West Midlands, which is a booming industry. So bringing together 50 different businesses from around the West Midlands, independent traders mainly, and just showing off what Birmingham has to offer in terms of coffee. Obviously trying to grow every year without being too big, so it's not independent, so we're just trying to keep it at a good size. We've obviously seen massive growth this year. We went to coffee festivals ourselves all across the world and thought Birmingham's an amazing opportunity to bring someone. There's some amazing companies around, and we just thought what better place to do it than our hometown of Birmingham.